Hi, I'm Alana. I want to talk to you about top tethers, what they are, why they are important, and how to connect one on a Diono car seat. Now, top tethers are part of a car seat that goes forward facing with an internal harness. First, you want to go ahead and locate your top tether anchor according to your vehicle owner's manual. You also want to figure out if the strap goes under the headrest or over the headrest, and that's going to be located in the vehicle manual as well. Once you've located it, go ahead and attach the top tether in this direction before you've completed your installation. Once you've completed the installation of the car seat, according to the instruction manual, go ahead and tighten down the top tether. Top tethers are an important step and should never be missed. The top tether is going to prevent your child from moving forward in a crash about 6 inches. So be sure you always attach the top tether and pull it tight. I'm Alana Pinkerton. Safe travels. Enjoy the journey.